So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a major project and you can use this project as, suppose you are in your final year, then you can use this project as your final year project. Also, it includes the tech stack like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Socket.io and SQLite 3 database for saving the data. Now let's check the project. So I have already run it inside. As you can see, here is the command and I have run it in the localhost 5008. Let's check. So here is the project and you can also log in inside the project, and here is a mini screen to test your camera, like your camera is working or not. Okay, so let me close it. You can close the camera here too. Now let's create a room. So the room is here properly visible and I'm just closing the camera as of now. And as you can see on the left bottom side there is a copy code. So using this code you can allow others to join. So just what you have to do, just send them the code and they have to paste it inside this input section, enter room code and just enter or copy paste the room code and join. After join, there is a window like this, entering like they will ask to enter their name. So now I'm entering name Shahid. So as you can see, okay, let me close the mic. Yeah, so I have closed the mic because there will be an echo because I am recording the screen on the same time too. So now as you can see, the previous screen is off and the current screen is on, and I am opening, like allowing the previous screen now. So as you can see, both screens are properly fine working. And now what you can do, so on the right side we have another feature. So on the right side, as you can see, they maintains the comer and the goer section, like the attendees section, which person is coming. So they will mention the name like Shahid joined the room, and I'm just texting here hi. So as you can see on the other tab on the Shahid screen, the hi is visible, and now I'm texting here bye from the Shahid side. So it will deliver the message here bye. So it is happening due to the socket.io. And now if I left the room by Shahid, so it will redirect me on the home screen. So let's close this. And now here, as you can see on the right side, it's showing Shahid left the chat because the another user left the chat. So this is all about the chat section. And let's close the camera. Okay, so also you can share your screen like this. You can share Chrome tab, Windows or entire screen. So I'm sharing the entire screen, and you can teach programming if anyone want to learn like that. Okay, so let's close. And now I'm showing you another feature called whiteboard. You can teach someone like whatever you want here. Also you can delete the whole thing you have drawn, and you can also delete a particular piece of your draws like this. Okay, so let's select it. Also you can change the colors. So this is all about the project. If you like the project, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want the project source code, then check the description. There are I have mentioned my WhatsApp number and the mails, so you can directly reach out to me. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.